Welcome to my channel, where we'll be discussing a topic that everyone can relate to: how to be more like. We all want to be loved. Being loved may make a huge impact on our interactions with friends, coworkers, and even strangers. Let's get started with some wonderful recommendations to help you become the most pleasant version of yourself. Belief in the power of positivity. Life can throw us some curveballs, but how we deal with them is what is important. Being optimistic attracts others like a magnet. It's contagious to have a smile on your face and a zeal for life. Let us concentrate on the positive and let go of the negative, the little details that don't serve us. But don't be frightened to show your vulnerability. It's nice to remain optimistic, but don't be scared to exhibit your humanity. Everyone has ups and downs, and people will respect you more if you're open about your difficulties. Be genuine, be yourself. They say, just be yourself, everyone else is taken. People can detect deception from a long distance. Authenticity is the secret sauce that distinguishes you and makes you intriguing. Accept your peculiarities, hobbies, and talents, and watch as others draw toward your authentic self. But don't be scared to experiment. It is normal for us to evolve as we grow and learn. Don't be frightened to abandon old habits in favor of new ones. People will admire you for your openness to change. Let us have a heart-to-heart. Being able to listen well is a superpower. We all enjoy talking about ourselves, and it's pure beauty when someone actually listens and shows attention. Phone down, make eye contact, and ask fascinating questions. Your friends and coworkers will feel appreciated, which will increase your likability factor. However, don't be hesitant to speak up. It is essential to be a good listener, but it is equally essential to be able to express your own views and feelings. When you have something to say, don't be scared to express it. People will admire your self-assurance. Kindness is what keeps the world turning. A little tenderness goes rather far. Treat others with empathy and compassion in the same way that you would like to be treated. Be there for your loved ones when they need a shoulder to cry on and support those in need. Kindness attracts beneficial relationships and helps to make the world a better place. But don't be a slacker. It is essential to be compassionate, but it is also necessary to set boundaries. Don't be scared to refuse individuals who ask too much of you. People will admire your fortitude. Conclusion: that's all there is to it. These easy yet effective strategies will surely increase your likability. Remember that being likable isn't about pretending to be someone you're no. It's about being yourself, embracing your best self, and exuding positivism. Please split your sentence into 2 or more sentences: honesty and kindness. I really hope you find this video useful in your quest to become more like. We all can form meaningful relationships and have a good influence on the people around us. Let's put these methods to work and watch our likability skyrocket. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you liked it. If you have any questions or need more assistance, I'm here to help. Please reach out and let's connect. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to embrace your individuality and promote positivity wherever you go. I wish you a day full of real contacts and plentiful opportunities. I wish you a day that is full of true likability.